guys, welcome to Healthy Eats. Today we are making super healthy and delicious pancakes for the breakfast. Breakfast is an important meal of the day and you should try your best to treat yourself with a healthy and wholesome affair every morning. It looks small in size, but they are absolutely filling and perfect meal to start your day. So let's get into it. I'm taking about 4 scoops of pure leaf multigrain flour. You can take any multigrain flour of your choice. Then I'm taking 3 scoops of protein powder. If you don't have any protein powder, you can skip this step. Then I'm adding 4 full eggs. If you're a vegetarian, you can add banana instead. And then give it a gentle mix. With this quantity, you can easily make 7 to 8 pancakes. Then I'm putting 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 small pinch of salt. Since I like to have black coffee with the pancakes, I'm skipping the coffee powder. Then blend the batter into a smooth mixture. And I'm using this size of ladle to load the batter, and on a flat pan I'm brushing some oil and spread the batter in a shape of a pancake. When you see the bubbles, it's an indication that it's cooked. Turn it over with the turner and let it cook for some time. You can also press the pancakes with the kitchen cloth so that it cooks evenly from all the sides. So the pancakes are done. This is how they look from both the sides. After this, I'm spreading peanut butter on one side. You can put any nut butter of your choice. Don't forget to cover the edges. Peanut butter is a good source of copper and minerals that help maintain our bone health, immune function, and blood vessels. Then I'm putting some mixed nuts. It has almonds, cashews, walnuts, black and green raisins. If you want to receive maximum benefit from eating nuts, then it's advised to consume them in morning. Consuming nuts along with breakfast can help you ward off fatigue and smoothly regulate blood pressure in your body. They play a great role in removing the bad cholesterol from blood and improve the functioning of your heart. Next, I'm adding the mangoes. These are the Amrapali mangoes and that's why they are orange in color. They are the sweetest mangoes and that's why we don't need any other artificial sweetener in this recipe. Then I'm placing the ripe bananas. Bananas also become extra sweet when they become ripe. Finally, I'm putting some mixed nuts. I always try to inculcate it in my breakfast. They are an excellent source of omega-3 and 6, which are required for most of our bodily functions. And they are also rich in folate, vitamin B6, magnesium, and phosphorus. Lastly, I'm drizzling some honey on the top, but it's completely optional. The pancakes are already very sweet, so in case you don't have ripe fruits, you can add the honey, otherwise you can totally skip this step. And they are ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Try this at home and I'm sure you're going to love it. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye bye.